Lesson 1. What is this? And is this? What is this?
It is a room.
Is this a room?
Yes, it is a room.
Is this a room?
No, it is not a room, but it is a yard.
What is this?
It is a pen.
Is this a pen?
Yes, it is a pen.
Is this a pen?
No, it is not a pen, but it is a pencil.
What is this?
It is a pencil.
Is this a pencil?
Yes, it is a pencil.
Is this a pencil?
No, it is not a pencil, but it is a pen.
What is this?
It is a book.
Is this a book?
Yes, it is a book.
Is this a book?
No, it is not a book, but it is a paper.
What is this?
It is a chair.
Is this a chair?
Yes, it is a chair.
Is this a chair?
No, it is not a chair, but it is a table.
What is this?
It is a table.
Is this a table?
Yes, it is a table.
Is this a table?
No, it is not a table, but it is a chair.
What is this?
It is a light.
Is this a light?
Yes, it is a light.
Is this a light?
No, it is not a light, but it is a ball.
What is this?
It is a wall.
Is this a wall?
Yes, it is a wall.
Is this a wall?
No, it is not a wall, but it is a floor.
What is this?
It is a floor.
Is this a floor?
Yes, it is a floor.
Is this a floor?
No, it is not a floor, but it is a wall.
What is this?
It is a window.
Is this a window?
Yes, it is a window.
Is this a window?
No, it is not a window, but it is a door.
What is this?
It is a door.
Is this a door?
Yes, it is a door.
Is this a door?
No, it is not a door, but it is a window.
What is this?
It is a picture.
Is this a picture?
Yes, it is a picture.
Is this a picture?
No, it is not a picture, but it is a shirt.
What is this?
It is a box.
Is this a box?
Yes, it is a box.
Is this a box?
No, it is not a box, but it is a book.
What is this?
It is a paper.
Is this a paper?
Yes, it is a paper.
Is this a paper?
No, it is not a paper, but it is a book.
What is this?
It is a television.
Is this a television?
Yes, it is a television.
Is this a television?
No, it is not a television, but it is a radio.
What is this?
It is a laptop.
Is this a laptop?
Yes, it is a laptop.
Is this a laptop?
No, it is not a laptop, but it is a desktop.
What is this?
It is a mobile phone.
Is this a mobile phone?
Yes, it is a mobile phone.
Is this a mobile phone?
No, it is not a mobile phone, but it is a laptop.
What is this?
It is a computer.
Is this a computer?
Yes, it is a computer.
Is this a computer?
No, it is not a computer, but it is a television.
What is this?
It is a toy.
Is this a toy?
Yes, it is a toy.
Is this a toy?
No, it is not a toy, but it is a glass.
What is this?
It is a watch.
Is this a watch?
Yes, it is a watch.
Is this a watch?
No, it is not a watch, but it is a switch.
What is this?
It is a cow.
Is this a cow?
Yes, it is a cow.
Is this a cow?
No, it is not a cow, but it is a cat.
What is this?
It is a tiger.
Is this a tiger?
Yes, it is a tiger.
Is this a tiger?
No, it is not a tiger, but it is a lion.
What is this?
It is a glass.
Is this a glass?
Yes, it is a glass.
Is this a glass?
No, it is not a glass, but it is a jug.
What is this?
It is a goat.
Is this a goat?
Yes, it is a goat.
Is this a goat?
No, it is not a goat, but it is a sheep. Please subscribe and support me.